Samsung might be preparing a surprise for flip phone fans. If you've been waiting for better battery life, the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 could deliver just that. According to a recent leak, Samsung is making another battery upgrade, which is great news for those who want their phones to last longer without constantly charging. Over the years, Samsung has gradually improved its foldable phones, but the Flip series has seen some of the biggest changes. Last year, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 introduced a 4,000 mAh battery, up from 3,700 mAh in the Flip 5. Now, reports suggest that the Z Flip 7 will feature a 4,300 mAh battery. If true, this would be the second year in a row that Samsung has increased battery capacity for its Flip lineup. On the other hand, the Fold series hasn't received the same battery upgrades. While the Flip models are improving in this area, the Fold lineup has remained mostly unchanged. The Z Fold 6, Fold 5, Fold 4, and even Fold 3 all had a 4,400 mAh battery with no major improvements. Interestingly, the older Galaxy Z Fold 2 from 2020 had a slightly bigger 4,500 mAh battery. This suggests that Samsung is focusing more on the Flip series when it comes to battery life. Samsung has a specific way of calculating battery capacity. The Z Flip 6 actually had two smaller batteries inside with a combined rated capacity of just under 3,900 mAh, but it was marketed as a 4,000 mAh battery. The leak suggests that the Z Flip 7 will follow the same pattern, the two new batteries. One rated at 2,985 mAh and the other at 1,189 mAh will likely be advertised as 4,300 mAh. So what does this mean for daily use? A battery increase of this size could provide around 7 to 8% more battery life compared to the Z Flip 6. But that's not the only improvement. The Z Flip 7 is also rumored to come with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This chip is expected to be more powerful and energy efficient, potentially helping the battery last even longer. Will this bigger battery make the Z Flip 7 larger? Based on leaks, the difference in size is minimal. The phone is expected to have a height of 166.6 millimeters and a width of 75.2 millimeters, slightly bigger than its predecessor. The increase in size is likely due to slightly larger screens. The main display is rumored to grow from 6.7 inches to 6.8 inches, while the cover screen could expand from 3.4 inches to 3.6 inches. Despite these changes, the phone is still expected to remain very thin at 6.9 millimeters, just like the Z Flip 6. One thing that remains unknown is the weight. A larger battery could make the phone slightly heavier, but the difference is expected to be small. This means users will still get a compact and foldable device without sacrificing portability. Battery life has been a key focus for flip phone users, and while the Z Flip 6 made improvements, there is still room for more. It looks like Samsung is responding to feedback and making further upgrades. When compared to the Motorola Razr Plus 2024, the Z Flip 6 performed well but didn't quite take the lead in battery life. With these latest improvements, it will be interesting to see if the Z Flip 7 can finally outperform the Motorola Razr Plus 2025. Samsung continues to refine its Flip series, making it more appealing each year. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Z Flip 7 could be one of the best foldable phones yet, offering a bigger battery, a more efficient processor, and slightly larger screens while keeping its slim design. However, since this information is based on leaks, nothing is confirmed yet. To get the latest updates when Samsung officially announces the Z Flip 7, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.